Hello, welcome to our channel AAAAS. Hello viewers, learn Excel with Amna. In today's video we will learn about how we can apply borders, how we can change font background and how we can change font color. So let's start. Firstly, I will open my Excel workbook. Now my Excel workbook has been appeared. Now, if I want to apply borders around this, like I'm writing some names. Okay, like this. I'm writing over here four names. Now, if you want to apply borders, simple, select all. In the ribbon there is option how we can apply borders and how we can draw borders. Simple, if you want all borders, so simply there is an option all borders, click on it. So you can see there is a border. If you want to remove borders, so there is no border option, so your whole border will be removed. Now if you want thick border, or if you want outside border, and like if I want a thick border, so you can see it is thick. And if you want outside only border, so it will thin and it will only apply in outside. Okay, now I'll click on all borders. Now if you want to draw borders, click on here draw borders. Only it will draw one line. You can see over here you have to draw, there will be much time spent. If you want to not waste your time, simple, go over here, there is a draw border grid, click on it, so you can see it is simply drawn. Okay, now our next option is how we can change background color of font. So simple, select all, there is an option fill color, click on this. There are many colors. Now I will choose this color orange lighter. You can see this is orange lighter. Now if I want to change color of this font, simple, click on this and there is an option. You can see over here the font color is changing. Now if I want this color like dark red, click on it, so your font color has been changed. Okay, so in today's video we learn about how we can apply borders, how we can fill color, and how we can change font color. In our next video we will learn about alignment. Okay, thanks for watching us. If you have any query, please let me know in comments.